Thank you for taking the time to watch this Flex Button demonstration. In this example, we will be demonstrating how we helped one customer resolve their interoperability needs using Flex Button to launch from MEDITECH's web apps, acute, ambulatory, and ED to their EKG vendor. We do this by attaching a button within the Expanse web app and with one single click, launch to the EKG application. This launch contains the user and patient contacts so that upon delivery to the EKG application, the user is presented with a display of all existing EKGs specific to that patient. Access to the EKGs is achieved by the use of a stored procedure. So let's take a look at this in action. The user identifies a patient within the MEDITECH Expanse application, chooses the patient, and clicks Open Record. You'll notice that we saw a quick flash here, and we now see the word Healthline displayed. This is the third-party EKG vendor application. The button only displays if there is identified at least one or more EKGs present in the third-party application. Once the button is clicked, the user is directed to a screen displaying all available EKGs listed by date and time. The user selects a date and clicks to open the window in a PDF view. The user and patient contacts are passed over to the third-party vendor application and identified to match with the EKG. In this instance, the EKG is opening in its own unique tab. That makes it easy for the clinician to be able to compare multiple EKGs side by side. Once the application is launched and you've got the additional EKG, now the clinician can toggle back and forth between the two to do a review. Once the user is finished with their views of the EKGs, they close those tabs and are returned back to MEDITECH Expanse in the same patient chart in the Open Records section. In this example, MEDITECH Expanse Open Chart was used to launch to the customer's EKG vendor using Flex Button. But please keep in mind, these were specific customer requests to meet their project needs. Flex Button's appearance, button location, and other attributes are highly customizable based on customer preference and project requirements. Business rules can be applied to Flex Button technology to meet any specific launch. Third-party vendor integration using Flex Button technology can be achieved by the use of any of the following: API, web services, an executable invoked at the machine level, or by creation of a dynamic URL to pass user and patient context. Please contact Diatric Systems if you'd like more information on how Flex Button can help you with your interoperability challenges. Thanks for taking the time to view this demo.